Hi friends, my name is Tukaram Ramkisan and I am student of B.SC third year, Adarsh College Hingoli. Here we discuss three definitions: identity operators, displacement operators, and inverse operators. First, identity operators. I means unity is an operator which is such that function on which its operators leaves the function unaltered. Unaltered means unchanged. Thus, I is called identity operators. Mention f of f of x equal to f of x. Second, displacement operators. An operators is called the displacement operators, denoted by the equation e f of x equal to f of a plus h. The operators e is also called as shift operators. The relation between the two operators, delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x, if of x equal to f of x, delta f of a equals to f of a plus h, delta f of a equals to f of a plus h minus f of a equals to f of ef of a ef of a minus if of a. E square f of a equals to e in bracket e f of a equals to e f of a plus h equals to f of a plus 2h. Similarly, e cube equals to f of a equals to f of a plus 3h, f raised to n f of a equals to f of a plus nh. And third property, inverse operators. The inverse operators e raised to minus 1 is denoted by e raised to minus 1 f of a equals to f of a plus a minus h. Note, we have e equals to delta a plus I. Now, in bracket delta plus I square equals to delta square plus 2 delta I plus delta square. Delta plus I square f of a equals to delta square plus 2 delta I plus I square f of a equals to delta square f of a plus 2 delta I f of a plus I square f of a equals to delta f of a plus 2 delta f of a plus f of a equals to delta f of a plus h minus f of a plus 2f of a plus h minus f of a plus f of a equals to f of a plus 2h minus f of a minus f of a plus h minus in bracket f of a plus h minus f of a bracket close plus 2 f of a plus h minus f of a equals to f of a plus 2h. E square f of a equals to e in bracket f of a e f of a equals to e f of a plus h equals to f of a plus 2h. E square equals to delta plus I square. E cube equals to delta plus I cube. E raised to r equals to delta plus I r. Thanks for watching this video. Any questions? Thank you so much.